Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Buick Encore Premium all-wheel drive, stock number X144XX. 13,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Encore is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Ample storage in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premium has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. There's memory settings for 2 drivers, moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, and that's also where you set the forward collision alert, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead. Transmitter for garage door opener and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Encore is a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.